The moment we get the okay, we'll start moving our robots, our equipment over and settle in.
The architects actually redesigned this entrance right here to be wide enough to drive a full-scale car in, and we did the modeling to figure out how we could arrange it and navigate it through the hall to get into our lab space.
This is going to be the laboratory space that my group will be using. In this place, we're going to develop a lot of the electronics that we're using in our drones.
We work on developing and deploying collaborative robots that work alongside people, for example, in building planes and building cars. We work on the artificial intelligence for these robot systems. To make them excellent teammates, they need to do three things. They need to be able to know what you're thinking, know what you're going to do next, and then they need to be able to respond quickly when things don't go according to plan.
You know, we actually modeled like doing a full-scale Corvette coming in here and being able to park here. Given the rapid changes in the automotive industry and given the role technology is going to play in alternative energies and as well as how people interact with cars, and then in my wheelhouse, how people use vehicles in like mega cities and emerging markets, I want to be able to work on automotive technologies in this lab.
Our main work is to take new approaches that are inspired by new mathematics and put them at work by implementing them on robots. You'll be able to sit right here and little drones will be flying under motion capture above you inside the space.
The ability to have access to this much larger room allows us to really push the envelope and what do future human-machine, human-robot teams look like.
As far as I know, it'll be the biggest motion capture room in academia. We'll be able to fly here tens, maybe even 100 drones all at the same time and have them be able to work together in accomplishing different types of tasks. We're going to build a pole in one corner of this space, put a net that covers this whole environment, and be able to fly drones outside.
There's so many memories of being in here, you know, with my very first grad students and building up the lab, and we're all really excited to come back and make it home again.
This is so cool. How long until there's a basketball hoop put up here? I'm very fortunate as a junior faculty member to get this quantity and quality of space, so I'm thankful.